Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix touchpad not working on Windows 11 in three methods. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up and then go with device manager. Simply tap on it so that a new window would bring up called device manager. So expand it first and look for a first option which is the mice and other pointing devices. Please click this forward arrow to see your mouse driver. So you might have the two drivers here. In my case, I only have the one. So just have to apply these steps in all of your mouse driver present here under mice and other pointing devices. So please do a right click, go with update driver, and it will opt you to choose two options which are search automatically for drivers, and Windows will search computer for the best available driver and install it in your device. And the second is browse my computer for drivers manually. Proceed with the first. And if it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, simply close this window and apply it to the second mouse driver if you have another mouse driver present here. Okay. But let's say if it's not, then we need to move on to our second method, which is you need to look for an option called human interface devices. So you need to click this forward arrow and look for your HID compliant touchpad. Okay. So you need to do a right click here and go with update driver, and here it will opt you to choose two options, which are search automatically and browse my computer for drivers manually. Proceed with this to locate and install a driver manually, and proceed with let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. So you need to click on it, and the moment you have the click on it, you need to check one by one on these compatible devices and check and click on next and install it in your computer, and go with the second and click on next and install that, and observe what specific driver is compatible or yes compatible to your device and what will fix for your problem. Once you're done, simply restart your computer and check if your problem has been fixed. But let's say if it's not, then we need to move on to our third and last method, which is you need to select your HID compliant touchpad. Please do a right click and go with uninstall device. Okay. So you just have to click on uninstall for the yes, we will uninstall that, but for the meantime only, because the moment you will click on uninstall and the moment you will go here at the action and go with scan for hardware changes, for that moment you would be able to install that again in your Windows. So basically these steps are harmless, okay? So uninstall that. Once you have uninstalled that, go here at the action, click on it, go with scan for hardware changes, and it will be automatically installed again here in your Windows. Okay, so close all of this window and check if your problem has been fixed. So those are the three methods on how to fix your touchpad which is not working in your Windows. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.